Hello once again. Let us now proceed to our topic for quarter 2, still in week 1. We're going to discuss the coordinate plane. So this is just an easy topic. We're just trying to recall how to plot points in the coordinate plane or the Cartesian coordinate system. So the MELC is finds the distance between 2 points. Learning objectives: plot points in the Cartesian coordinate system. Determine the coordinate. Coordinates of a given point in the Cartesian coordinate system. And show master in plotting points in the Cartesian coordinate system. So let's have here a warm up. Grab each integer and its opposite on a number line. So ayun. 4. So number 1 is 4. Then dito yung 4. Saka opposite niya is negative 4 for number 4. How about negative 7, number 2? Negative 7 here. And its opposite is positive 7 in number 5. And number 3, negative 2. Negative 2 here. And its opposite is positive 2. Okay. Next, grab the integers on the number line 7, negative 2, 0, 3, negative 5. So we have here negative 5, negative 2, 0, positive 3, and positive 7. Okay, that's easy, right? Next, problem of the day. What number am I? I am less than 50. When divided by 5, my remainder is 4. And the sum of my digits is 11. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this. Time's up. What's your answer? The answer is 29. 29 is less than 50. When if you divide this by 5, 29 divided by 5, the answer is 5, the remainder 4. Okay? And the sum of the digits is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. Right? Okay, we have here some vocabulary. Coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis, origin, quadrant, ordered pair. So these are the terms related to the coordinate plane or the Cartesian coordinate system. So a coordinate plane is a plane containing a horizontal line, the x-axis, and a vertical number line, the y-axis. The intersection of this axis is called the origin. Okay, x-axis, the horizontal line. The horizontal line, x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. And the origin, the point of intersection of these two axes. The axes divide the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants, which are numbered in Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay? So this is just a review. Next, additional example, identifying the quadrants on a coordinate plane. Identify the quadrant that contains each point. For letter A, S. What quadrant does S belong? Okay, S lies in quadrant 4. How about T? Point T lies in quadrant 1. How about W? W lies on the y-axis. Okay, it's in the y-axis between quadrants 1 and quadrant 2. So the point W is not in the 4 quadrants but on the y-axis between quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Identify the quadrant that contains each point. Letter A, point N. What quadrant is point N? Answer. Okay, it lies on quadrant 2. How about letter B, point X? What quadrant is point X? It is in quadrant 3. And how about point Y? It lies on the origin. Okay, that's so easy. Points on a coordinate plane are identified by ordered pairs. An ordered pair consists of 2 numbers in a certain order. The origin is the point 0, 0. Okay. Ito ang tinatawag na ordered pair, 3, 2. 3, 2, open and close parenthesis. Yung 3, yung tawag dyan ay x coordinate, units right or left from 0. Other term for x coordinate is what? Starts with letter A. It's called abscissa. How about yung 2? What do we call this 2? Yung tawag dyan sa 2, it's called the y coordinate, units up or down from 0. What's the other term for 2? So, or the y coordinate, ordinate, right? 3 is the x coordinate or the abscissa, 2 is the y coordinate or the ordinate. Yan. 3 units to the right from the origin and 2 units up. Then what point is that? That point is yan. Yan yung 0.32. 3 units to the right of 0 and 2 units upward. Then it's called 0.30. Plot each point on a coordinate plane. Letter A, point D with the coordinates 3, 3. Okay, start the origin, move 3 units to the right and 3 units up. Yun. Yan yung point D. How about this point B? Negative 2, negative 3. Start at the origin, move 2 units left. 2 units left daw. Then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, probably here. Yan. This is point E, negative 2, negative 3. How about 3, negative 5? Start at the origin, move 3 units to the right and 5 units down. Yun. 3, negative 5. Next example, plot each point on a coordinate plane D, 4, 4. Start at the origin, move 4 units right and 4 units up. Answer, yun. 4 to the right and 4 units up, point D. How about E, negative 2, 3. Start at the origin, move 2 units to the left and 3 units up. Yun, point E. That's point E. How about point F? Start at the origin, move 1 unit to the left and 2 units down. Here, yun. That's point F. Point D, point E, point F. Now, give the coordinates of each point in the Cartesian plane. Start with A. Okay, what coordinate is point X? Okay, tignan lang natin. Negative 2, 5, right? Is it negative 2, 5? Start at the origin. Point X, 2 units left and 5 units up. Okay. Negative 2, 5. How about Y? Point Y. Start at the origin. Point Y is 1 unit to the left and on the x-axis. So that is negative 1, 0. Okay. X is negative 2, 5. Y is negative 1, 0. How about Z? Start the origin. Point says 3 units to the right and 3 units down. 3, negative 3. Right? Easy, right? This is just a review. You know all these things. You've learned this from your elementary days and also in lower year or lower grades, grade 7, grade 8. Give the coordinates of each point. L, what's the coordinate of, what are the coordinates of point L? Start at the origin. Point L is 4 units left and 3 units up. Answer, negative 4, 3. How about point M? Start at the origin. Point M is 2 units to the left and 2 units down. What? Negative 2, negative 2. How about N? Here. Start at the origin. Point N is 3 units right and 4 units up. Answer, 3, 4. Okay? Very easy. Let's have here a quiz, lesson quiz, part 1. Give the coordinates of each point and identify the quadrant that contains each point. Number 1. Point A, point B, point C. And plot each point on the coordinate plane D, 2, negative 3, and negative 4, negative 2. Okay? I think you can answer this for, okay, can I just give you 15 seconds to answer this? Okay, you can do it. Okay, time's up. Number 1, point A. Negative 2, 4. It's in quadrant 2. Okay, did you get it? About B. 3, negative 2, quadrant 4. Correct? C, 2, 3, quadrant 1. Okay, I know you get the correct answer. Now, for letter B, plot each point. Point D, 2, negative 3. Yun. This is point D. And how about point E? Negative 4, negative 2. Okay, congratulations for a job well done. Lesson quiz part 2. To plot 7, negative 2, a student started at origin and moved 7 units to the left and 2 units down. What did the student do wrong? Okay, what's your answer? What did the student do wrong? He should have moved 7 units right and not left. Kasi positive 7 eh. Okay, 7 units right dapat. Okay, let's review. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, both positive. Quadrant 2, negative, positive. Quadrant 3, both negative. And quadrant 4, positive, negative. What is a common mistake in dealing with Cartesian coordinate system? Okay, 2, 3. We have here your coordinates, 2, 3. Okay. That's the wrong answer. This is the correct way to plot 2, 3. 2 units to the right and 3 units upward. And not 3 units to the right and 2 units upward. Baliktad na yun. Ito is 3, 2 na yan. 3, 2, baliktad na. Okay, that's a common mistake. Core lesson. So we have here coordinates x, y, 2, 4. Yun, 2 units to the right and 4 units upward. 2, 4. Another, negative 3, 5. Negative 3, 3, 3 units to the left, 5 units upward. Negative 4, negative 2, 4 units to the left, 2 units downward. It's in quadrant 3. And how about this? 3, negative 2, 3 units to the right and 2 units down. It's in quadrant 4. Okay. Meron pa. 4, 0. 4 units to the right and no moving upward or downward kasi 0 siya, no? So, yun. It's in the x-axis for 0. How about this? 0, negative 2. 2 units downward to the origin and no moving to the left and right because 0 na yan. 0, negative 2. It's in the y-axis. How about this? 3, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3. Yun. For this is in quadrant 1. This is in quadrant 2. Sorry, excuse me. Quadrant 3. In quadrant 4, 3, negative 3. Quadrant 3, negative 3, negative 3. Yan, and if you connect the points, come up with a square. How about this? 2, 3, negative 4, 1, 2, negative 4. Okay, we have here 2, 3, 4, 1, negative 4, 1, I should say. 2, negative 4. And if you connect the 3 points, come up with a triangle. And we have here also here a house in the Cartesian plane. Okay. Yun. We have here the points. What are the coordinates of these points given? The shape like a house. Yun. This is 0, 3. This is negative 3, 1. This is 3, 1. This is 2, negative 2. Negative 2, negative 2. 10, 15. It's in quadrant 1. Negative 25, quadrant 2. 10, negative 20, it's in quadrant 4. Then, we have here another triangle. So, in this lesson, you have learned how to graph points by using a coordinate plane. Guided practice. Which of the following points correctly shows where negative 4, 2 would be plotted? Assume a 1 unit scale. Yan. What's the answer? Which of the following points correctly shows where negative 4, 2 would be plotted? Answer? Yun. This is the correct plot. Correct way to plot negative 4, 2. Another number I should say. Which of the following points correctly shows where 3, 0 would be plotted? Assume a 1 unit scale. 3, 0. Saan yung 3, 0 dyan? Okay. Yan ba? Yan. Ito or yan. The answer is, okay, ito. 3, 0. Correct? Congratulations. Very good. Extension activities. Draw a coordinate plane on a piece of paper. Make some cards with coordinates on them. Make sure to use coordinates that are in all 4 quadrants. Turn the cards face down. Pick one up. By using the signs, place it in the correct quadrant. Have a friend check your work. I repeat, draw a coordinate plane on a piece of paper. Make some cards with coordinates on them. Make sure to use coordinates that are in all 4 quadrants. Turn the cards face down. Pick one up. By using the signs, place it in the correct quadrant. Have a friend check your work. Okay, assignment yun na yan. Another. Draw a coordinate plane and label it with a scale or use existing. Draw a simple picture. Make sure the picture has points that are on a line and use straight lines to connect the points. Write down the coordinates to all the points. Give a friend the coordinates and have them plot the picture. Did it match yours? Okay. Again, let me read. Draw a coordinate plane and label it with scale. Draw a simple picture. Make sure the picture has points that are on a line and use straight lines to connect the points. Write down the coordinates to all the points. Give a friend the coordinates and have them plot the picture. Did it match yours? Okay, that's your assignment again. Ano pa? With a friend, you're going to play coordinate battleship. Each of you needs a coordinate grid with small ships drawn on it. Use rectangles for ships. Make sure the ships have coordinates that are on a line. Take turns guessing coordinates of each other's ships. If a guess is correct, mark it off and tell the other person. Play continues until all the battleships are found. So you can screenshot this part. Another assignment. Quick quiz. Which of the following points correctly shows where 5, negative 1 would be plotted? Assume a 1 unit scale. Okay, kindly screenshot this. This is your assignment again. Which of the following points correctly shows where 0, negative 4 would be plotted? Assume a 1 unit scale. Screenshot. So, and for your activity, answer last on analytic geometry, task 146 and summative test. So, this ends our lesson on Cartesian plane. This is actually a review. And thank you again for listening. Goodbye and thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.